Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Anthropic implements mandatory ID verification for Claude users to enhance security. Anthropic has introduced a stringent new identity verification process for Claude users, requiring government-issued IDs and KYC-style selfies for account access. This move aims to curb automated misuse, prevent policy violations, and ensure responsible AI deployment. While the company emphasizes that these measures are necessary to combat large-scale platform abuse and improve safety, the decision has sparked significant privacy concerns among global users. This shift mirrors practices in the financial sector, marking a major departure from the traditionally low-friction onboarding processes of major generative AI platforms. YouTube introduces official setting to disable shorts from main feed. YouTube is finally rolling out a long-awaited feature allowing users to hide the shorts shelf from their primary homepage. While the short-form video section remains a core part of the platform, this new toggle provides a cleaner, more traditional browsing experience for those who prefer long-form content. Accessible through the general settings on the mobile app and desktop, users can now choose to minimize or completely remove the vertical video recommendations. This move reflects YouTube's effort to balance its aggressive push into short-form media with growing user demands for customization. OnePlus Buds Ace 3 teased with massive battery and gaming features. OnePlus has teased its upcoming Buds Ace 3 earbuds, highlighting a strong focus on battery life and gaming performance. The earbuds are expected to offer up to 54 hours of total battery backup with the charging case. They will also include a special gaming audio boost with FPS tuning for better in-game sound accuracy. Additionally, the earbuds may feature active noise cancellation and a sleek in-ear design. The launch is expected soon, likely alongside a new OnePlus smartphone. Sony Xperia One Date leak suggests headphone jack return and wireless charging. The upcoming Sony Xperia One Buds has surfaced in leaks, revealing key features through an FCC listing. The device is expected to include a 3.5mm headphone jack, a rare feature in modern flagship phones, continuing Sony's trend of supporting wired audio. It is also likely to support wireless charging, along with Wi-Fi 7 and 5G connectivity. Additionally, leaks hint at a redesigned camera module and updated design. While these details are not official yet, the phone is expected to launch soon with premium flagship upgrades. Apple stores to offer. In-store software recovery for Apple Watch. Apple is reportedly rolling out a new service allowing Apple Watch users to get on-site software recovery at retail locations. Previously, watches experiencing critical software failures or stuck in recovery mode often required being sent to a specialized repair center, leading to multi-day delays. This new update utilizes internal tools to restore the device's firmware directly at the Genius Bar. By simplifying the repair process, Apple aims to significantly reduce turnaround times and improve the customer experience for wearable users facing system-level technical issues. Nothing Warp app lets you share files seamlessly between Android and computers. Nothing has launched Warp, a new app and browser extension designed to simplify file sharing between Android phones and computers. It works across macOS, Windows, and Linux using a Chromium-based browser extension. Users can transfer files, images, links, and copy text directly through the Share menu. Warp uses Google Drive as a bridge, ensuring privacy since files are not stored by nothing. The tool enables quick, two-way transfers without cables or messaging apps, offering a practical cross-platform alternative for everyday file sharing. Today's AI tool is Chattee. Build full-stack apps from plain English with source code. Access. Chattee is an AI-powered app builder that creates full-stack web applications from simple text descriptions. Users can generate apps like admin dashboards, client portals, or workflow systems with real business logic, user roles, and database integration. It supports instant deployment with custom domains and SSE. A key advantage is full source code access, allowing users to download, edit, or self-host their apps. Chattee is also GDPR compliant with secure German infrastructure. Ideal for small businesses and agencies, it offers flexible pricing and enables rapid app development without coding expertise. Today, our lead story is about Snap announces layoffs of 1,000 employees amid strategic shift toward AI. Snap Inc. has announced plans to reduce its global workforce by approximately 1,000 employees, citing a need to streamline operations and reinvest in artificial intelligence. This restructuring follows a broader trend in the tech industry where companies are prioritizing AI-driven growth over traditional roles. CEO Evan Spiegel emphasized that the decision aims to reduce hierarchy and accelerate product innovation to remain competitive. The move highlights the ongoing impact of automation and AI on the labor market, even within major social media platforms. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.